My first favorite food is tteokbokki. Can you remember which country tteokbokki comes from? That's right, Korea. Tteokbokki is a delicious spicy snack. Alright, question number 2. My next food was shabu-shabu. Now I think this one might be easy for you, but can you guess where shabu-shabu comes from? Is it Mexico? No. You know, it's from Japan. Good job. Alright, food number 3. Green curry. This is one of my favorite foods. Now, does green curry come from Mexico or Thailand? That's right. Green curry comes from Thailand, and it's so yummy. I want to eat some right now. So that means my last food was tacos. So do you remember which country tacos come from? You got it, Mexico. They're so delicious and there's so many different kinds.